In this video, we are gonna talk about signs that your succulent gives you what they need. It's like your succulents are talking to you, and this video will help you understand them. There's a short question at the end of this video, and we hope you would interact with it. Alright guys, let's get to number 1. Leaves turning red or orange or vivid in color. This is sun stress. This happens when succulents get lots of sun. They turn from their normal color to red, orange, or vivid colors. Lots of people purposely expose them to direct sun to get that vivid colors from their succulents. So nothing to worry. How to fix? If you want to revert back to their regular color, simply give them lesser sun exposure. Number 2. Blotchy leaves. This is a transition color from normal to sun stress or vice versa. When you sun stress your succulents, they get blotchy before actually getting to that vivid coloration caused by full sun exposure. How to fix? Expose them to either less sun to revert back to regular color or expose to full sun to get vivid colors. Number 3. Leaves turning green or pale. This means that your succulent is not stressed. They are simply reverting back to their normal colors. Maybe you bought from a store that gives them full sun, and when you are home, you place them in bright shaded area. They'll revert back to their less colorful state. How to fix? Same as number 2. Decide whether to have a regular color or vivid color succulents. Expose to full sun to get vivid colors or expose to less sun to get regular colors. Number 4. Leaves getting thin and wrinkly. This means your succulent is thirsty. How to fix? Water them until the leaves start to get fat, and then go back to your regular watering schedule. Number 5. Dead leaves at the bottom. This is nothing to be worried of. This is a sign your plant is growing, provided your plant is healthy. Number 6. Etiolated leaves. When you see that your succulent is not compact and the leaves are growing far apart, this means they need more sun. How to fix? Simply introduce to sun. This process is called acclimation. If you want to know more about this, please click the thumbnail at the end of this video. Number 7. Brown leaves or brown spots. This is a sunburn. This is caused by a sudden full sun exposure without acclimation. How to fix? Same as in number 6. Acclimate first to avoid sunburn. Number 8. Leaves turning yellow. This is an early sign of overwatering. If left untreated, they will soon rot and die. How to fix? Remove yellow leaves and rotten parts if present. Remove from pot and air dry for 5 days or more, and repot in a very dry soil. No watering until the leaves start to wrinkle a little. No direct sunlight yet. Number 9. swelling and bloated leaves. This is an advanced sign of overwatering after the yellowing stage. How to fix? Do exactly the fix as in number 8. There is no guarantee that your succulent can recover. Number 10. Falling leaves. This is also an advanced sign of overwatering before or after the swelling stage. How to fix? Do the same as the fix in number 8. But there's also no guarantee that your plant will survive. It will depend how severe the rot is. Number 11. Rotten leaves. This is also an advanced overwatering sign. If it gets severe, the trunk and base gets rotten too. How to fix? The fix is the same as in number 8, but the chance of saving your plant is slim. Let us know if this video helped you. Please leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy succulents gardening!
Mm-hmm.